This morning, a few moments ago, the judge ruled that Robert Crimo III would be held without bond and that there was probable cause to hold him at this time for 7 counts of first-degree murder. We have filed those counts alleging the intentional killing of 7 individuals. Based on the information that the investigation has produced so far, the judge found that the evidence was at such a level that he could be held without bond. Also, because the fact that it is a mandatory life sentence. Additional details were developed during that bond hearing. I know there was a pool reporter there for that. I can certainly answer some additional questions about that. I want to continue to emphasize that this is an ongoing and active investigation with all of our law enforcement partners. If anyone has any surveillance footage whatsoever of the July 4th Highland Park parade, we would urge them to contact the Highland Park Police Department. Well, his statement was voluntary. He was questioned in the Highland Park Police Department. He was read his Miranda warnings, offered attorneys, etc. He went into details about what he had done. He admitted to what he had done.
Can you say why? Insight into his trip into Wisconsin and any potential motive or motivation for that?
No, and I was also asked the question if he said why he did it. We don't want to speculate on motives right now.
Certainly, our investigation is gone very much into what happened after the shooting, what Crimo's plan was. Investigators did develop some information that it appears when he drove to Madison, he was driving around. However, he did see a celebration that was occurring in Madison, and he seriously contemplated using the firearm he had in his vehicle to commit another shooting in Madison.
Did you know how much ammunition he had at that point on his body?
Approximately 60 rounds. His motivation isn't necessarily clear. I don't want to go specifically into what he told investigators. However, he had some type of affinity towards the number 4 and 7, and inverse was 7-4.
Yes, with the arraignment, the arraignment will likely be in August. Just to give you the schedule, the next court date was set as, I believe, July 28th at the request of the. We asked to move that up to late July. He will be represented by the Public Defender's Office. They had one of their most experienced attorneys present in court today. They will consult, and this matter will be presented to a grand jury or a judge at some point for additional hearings regarding the evidence to see if he should be held over for trial. Obviously, we predict that, or we wouldn't have filed the charges, and an arraignment will likely be in August.